Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to manage workload in Wrike step by step in 2026. Proper workload management helps teams avoid burnout and keeps work balanced. First, create clear projects and tasks. Break work into realistic tasks and subtasks. Accurate task size is the foundation of workload planning. Next, assign tasks carefully. Make sure every task has one owner. Avoid assigning too many tasks to the same person. Now set start dates, due dates, and effort. Adding timelines helps Wrike calculate workload properly. Realistic dates prevent overload. After that, open the workload view. This shows how much work each team member has. You can instantly spot overloaded or underutilized people. Next, balance work using drag and drop. Move tasks between team members or adjust dates. Wrike updates workload in real time. Then use task priorities. Mark important tasks as high priority. This helps teams focus on critical work first. Now, track progress regularly. Check task status updates and comments. Unfinished tasks can increase hidden workload. After that, adjust workload when plans change. Delays or new tasks should be updated immediately. Outdated data leads to poor planning. Next, use dashboards and reports. Dashboards show who is overloaded and what is overdue. Reports help managers make decisions. Finally, review workload weekly. Short weekly reviews keep work balanced. Early adjustments prevent stress later. So yeah, managing workload in Wrike means creating clear tasks, assigning work wisely, setting timelines, using workload view, balancing tasks, tracking progress, and reviewing regularly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next